Honda CBR 250RR versus Yamaha R25. Two iconic 250cc machines go head-to-head in performance, design, and features. The CBR 250RR delivers aggressive power with premium components, while the Yamaha R25 offers smooth handling and sharp looks. Both are lightweight, sporty, and made for thrill. Watch the full detailed comparison only on 1700 AM, your go-to channel for the best bike matchups and specs breakdowns. Engine type: CBR 250RR has a 249.7 cce parallel twin-cylinder DOHC engine, while R25 offers a 250cc parallel twin engine, both delivering smooth, thrilling power. Horsepower: CBR 250RR produces about 40.2 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, and Yamaha R25 gives 35.5 horsepower at 12,000 RPM, giving the edge to Honda for high rev performance. Torque: CBR 250RR, 25 Newton meters at 11,000 RPM. R25, 23.6 Newton meters at 10,000 RPM. Both offer punchy mid-range acceleration for sporty rides. Let's have a look at the transmission. Both bikes come with a 6-speed manual gearbox and assist slipper clutch for smoother downshifting and enhanced control. Top speed: CBR 250RR, around 180 kilometers per hour. R25, approximately 170 kilometers per hour. Both capable of high-speed thrill on open roads. Weight: CBR 250RR weighs 168 kilograms. R25 is slightly lighter at 166 kilograms, both offering agility and easy maneuvering. Fuel tank capacity: CBR 250RR, 14.5 liters. R25, 14 liters, enough for decent range without frequent fuel stops. Suspension: CBR 250RR uses Showa SFFBPUSD forks. R25 features KYBUSD forks, both tuned for comfort and sportiness. Brakes: both bikes have front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel ABS, ensuring safety and solid stopping power. Okay, now let's have a look to the instrument cluster. CBR 250RR has a full LCD digital display, while R25 also features a digital console with gear, RPM, and fuel indicators. Now let's jump to the lighting. Both offer full LED lighting, headlamps, tail lamps, and indicators for a modern and sharp look. Let's talk about the wheel size. Both roll on 17-inch alloy wheels with sporty tires, offering solid grip and aggressive styling. Let's have talk about the seat height. CBR 250RR, 790 millimeters, R25, 780 millimeters, suitable for average height riders and comfortable for city or sport riding. Okay, now let's have a look at the cooling system. Both use liquid cooling systems that keep the engines at ideal temps for performance and reliability. Okay, now let's say about the design and aerodynamics. CBR 250RR has a race-inspired sharp design, while R25 reflects sleek Yamaha R series aesthetics, both turning heads on the street. Thanks for watching this detailed comparison between the Honda CBR 250RR and Yamaha R25. If you enjoyed the video and love bike comparisons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 1700 AM, your ultimate destination for two-wheeler matchups, specs, and performance insights. Ride safe and see you in the next video.